Oh guys, kakain muna kami.
Can we get on the sound?
No,
No.
up to you.
Alright, okay, in the shade then.
Defend the faith as I probably will be when I make an announcement. I better be able to.
Kain muna kami ng ice cream and then McDonald's. So kakainin ko muna yung dessert ko kasi baka mag-melt. Okay. Some chips. And didip ko dito sa ice cream, oh. Kita nyo? Ice cream and chips. Para gada burger. Kainin ko ng dessert. Maraming salamat. Thank you for everyone remix. At saka yung kumakanta ng paborito kong kanta. Ako ay isang anak na mahirap. Kaya yan, McDonald's na lang kinain ko. Dahil mahirap kami. Pero lalagay ko sa ice cream. To those people that haven't have ice cream and chips, try it. It's really good.
No, thank you.
My husband said no, thank you. Hello, Australia. Chips, ice cream, try. Chips, ice cream. Subukan niyo mga angel kumain ng chips at saka ice cream. Pagsamahin niyo, ang sarap. Yeah? Di mo asam.
Yeah, come on.
Look at another dessert. So, hindi pa ninyo nasubukan kumain ng chips at saka ice cream. And you have try it, chips and ice cream. Bob, it's only me, Roti Peters, will do that, I think.
Yep.
My husband said yeah.
Wow.
How's the dessert, huh?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
The
Is it the same or Same, did you order? Oh.
Well, you got one, I got one.
Hmm.
Expecting all the markets in America to really crash overnight.
Oh dear. That's why the money change, the dollar is very low.
Yeah, I wonder how much it is today. Let's have a look.
Hmm. Thanks, America. Thanks, Donald Trump.
Oh, it's better today. It's gone up a bit.
Oh, really? Good.
A little bit. Not much.
Mm. The market of money change went down.
Can I drive?
Mm.
You sure?
Mm. So you can pick up your laptop in the
Yeah.
office. Then drive na kami. Kasi ako pwede naman akong kumain and drive. My husband can't because he's driving. Hindi ko pa nakakain yung burger ko. Meron pa akong dessert dito.
Look at this. There's a wall here that collapsed a couple of weeks ago.
This one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
right next. Oh, I didn't do it.
Wow.
But yeah, it's all collapsed.
Mm.
Oh, the rain.
Well,
A bit embarrassing for
Mhm.
Wollondilly Council. Good thing no one was walking past at the time. Someone could have been killed.
Yeah. I almost done my chips.
Oh, you didn't give me any.
Oh,
Oh,
well, you did that. You did that. That's something just there.
I was waiting for you to offer them. You ate them all.
My husband not happy because he didn't have any chips.
That's alright. I was waiting for you. You must be hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry. Mm-hmm.
No, no, I wanted chips.
You're funny, honey.
Yeah, it's cold.
So I ate first my dessert. Because otherwise go melty.
Yeah. Do that.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Okay. Now I'm gonna eat my burger. Chicken burger. Now I'm gonna eat this one. And then I'm gonna eat another dessert. So kakainin ko ito. Tapos meron pa akong dessert na kakainin muli.
Oh, you're only getting it now. You took it. I didn't realise you hadn't eaten it.
No, not it. I just ate my ice cream first.
And chips.
after this, I will eat my other dessert.
They're only tiny, the other dessert.
Yeah.
It's like one bite, two
Mm.
bites.
Where's my drink? Huh?
Oh,
Coke. Honey, stop it. I don't think so I can finish this. It's so big. Ang hirap kumain pag nagdadrive.
I'm sure you can finish it.
I can't. It's too much. Should have stopped here. Stop here.
Where?
Anywhere. It's too late now.
No, I can't eat it. Give it to the dog. Being consigning, Duncan speaking.
Yeah, Duncan, David Nabella here from Balmoral Rise in Wilton.
Oh, g'day mate, yeah. Yeah, I looked at your shed slab. Thanks for your instructions.